got the key! Fuck, I died.
Oh my god. I got some of that recorded, so that was amazing.
Yeah, so the way my voice was cutting out, that's exactly what it sounded like when it happened to you.
Oh, that sounded amazing.
Didn't it? I just clicked mute microphone on Skype, and that's literally all I did.
I just heard, what'd you say? And I'm like, I just want to say, like, Wednesday!
It's pretty good.
It was pretty damn good.
Because I know you were wondering what it sounded like when your mic unplugged, or your headphones rather.
Hey.
There's what it sounded like.
Oh, shit. Oh,
I
no.
am a rock. None can face rock narwhal.
Oh my god. Rock solid.
Rock solid!
No, you're not savage. Get out of here. Oh! What?
Your voice is so bad right now. That was just breathing. One of those was literally just you taking a huge ass breath. And your voice was super robotic and fucky.
Man, I'm recording all this, so it's pretty good.
You better send me this and the other one.
Just keep making fucking weird ass noises so we can have so much to work with.
Yeah! Years before you could face me, nigga.
Wait, I'm gonna try something.
And you're fucking your cat.
I have an idea. What if I unplug my headphones and then plug them back in really fast while screaming?
Fuck us out. Go for it.
Okay.
What the fuck did I just hear?
I said Wednesday.
It was like a voicemail from Jesus. Jesus left me a voicemail on my home phone.
My head! Alright, I'm gonna do what you did.
Go for it.
Wednesday!
The fuck that is here? Get this out of here!
Wednesday!
Wednesday, my dude!
Oh shit it!
Get the
Oh fuck!
tight pussies.
No!
I cannot fucking breathe. We both did it at the same exact time. It was so beautiful. Oh shit, I'm the king!
Oh shit.
Let's go, pussy. You
It's
want
Wednesday, my Wednesday! Dude, I'm so die. I'm gonna die when I
What?
I'm gonna die when I review this. Holy shit.
Getting this goddamn point.
Oh shit. There's something coming.
Oh shit. Straight in. Straight in.
Straight in! Straight in!
Oh, no.
We gotta watch this video when it's done.
We gotta rob it. I'm hyped. I don't know about you.
I'm pretty hyped.
The fuck you gonna call these two videos?
I don't know.
Me and
Cancer.
Sam play narwhal.io and me and Sam experiment with loud noises or something.
Oh!
Oh shit, my dude, you're a fucking kid. I'm so sorry. This dude is so bad. Worst player. Oh cool, I got fucking.
Oh cool, I got fuck.
Let's go, boys. Got their spit. This dude just.
Cake is jerking me. I'm being jerked off by a.
Oh, it's so far up my fucking ass. SS moist tape.
Oh my god. This video is gonna be so stupid. Oh shit! Cool guys don't look at explosions. They blow shit
I'm down
up and then whoa shit!
there and watch. Because we're gonna run out of time eventually and not realize.
Cool guys don't look at explosions. They blow stuff up and then walk. Oh shit! Who's got time to watch an explode? You blow. Keep riding. Keep fucking.
Arms of the age.
America! Fuck!
Fly away.
Come in and say the motherfucker day!